Hey, thanks for checking out Fun Time Travel. So today we're going to talk about the details of Carnival's Bottomless Bubbles package. So we've done a lot of videos for the Cheers package, and we've had some questions about the soda package. So let's get into it right after this. All right, so the Cheers package tends to be one of the most asked about things related to Carnival cruises. But in those videos, a lot of questions have come up about the Bottomless Bubbles package. So we're going to get into how it works. But before I get into the Bottomless Bubbles package, let's talk about what you get for free on a Carnival cruise, drinks-wise, that is. So you can get dispensed water, you can get unsweetened tea, you can get juice from those dispensers that are like soda machines, you know the ones I'm talking about with like the instant juice inside of them. You can get coffee that's just regular black coffee. You can get hot chocolate and you can get hot water, and that's about it. But for a lot of folks, well, that's enough. If you're interested in having a few alcoholic drinks, check out our Carnival's Cheers package. But if you're just a soda drinker, the Bottomless Bubbles package might be for you. So the Bottomless Bubbles package costs $9.50 per person per day, plus an additional 18% gratuity, which brings it to $11.21. For children, it's $6.95 per person per day with an 18% gratuity, and that comes to $8.20. So if you were to run that out to like a 7-day cruise, it'd be $78.47 per adult for a 7-day cruise, and it would be $57.41 for a child for a 7-day cruise. Now, let's get into a few of the details about Bottomless Bubbles. So the soda program cannot be shared. Everyone has to have their own package. Bottomless Bubbles is, it can only be purchased on the first day, your embarkation day, or that very next day, the first full day of your cruise. After that, it's no longer available for purchase. And you've got to buy it for the entire cruise. You can't buy it day by day, like, oh, I only want it on, the sea days or whatever. You just can't do that. You got to get it for all or nothing. However, if you buy it on the second day, your price is a little bit cheaper. So maybe you're like, all right, I'm going to tough it out. I'm not going to drink sodas on my first day, but then I'll get it on the second day, and you can save yourself, $8 or $10 or whatever. And another thing to remember is that Bottomless Bubbles is not refundable. It can't be used through room service or the interactive TV system, where you can like click and order things on your TV, or from the minibar. And it's not available, or I shouldn't say it's not available. You can't use it on the private islands. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, one beverage, one soda can be served, or one juice can be served at a time. You can only order one, and you have to wait 5 minutes until you order your next one. And then soft drinks are served by the glass in like 16-ounce glasses, and juice is served in 10-ounce glasses. Now, something to keep in mind too is that the Bottomless Bubbles package is just for soda. You can't use it to get specialty coffees, like a Frappuccino, Cappuccino, Mochaccino, whatever the case, whatever chino you want. Or you can't use it to get those amazing milkshakes that they serve on board. So I think that's kind of a bummer. I think they're missing an opportunity there, because it seems like so many people want those milkshakes and whatnot, especially the milkshakes, but also those specialty coffees. So it seems like maybe there's a place for like a Bottomless Bubbles Plus or something, but that's not available right now. Now, is it worth it? Well, a soda costs $2.75 on board. So an adult breaks even at like 3.5 sodas. A child breaks even at, say, 2.5 sodas. So if you think for the length of your cruise, you're going to average like 4 sodas a day, or your child's going to average 3 sodas a day, then maybe Bottomless Bubbles will work for you. But, everybody's a little different. So hopefully this helps you understand how the Bottomless Bubbles package works a little better, helps you understand what's included, what's not included, some of the restrictions, and maybe it'll help you decide if it's right for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.